finding in this question, we are asked to identify what is the parent chain for the given compound, which has the structure of like this. And so parent chain is the longest carbon chain in the structure.